These clerks. What is clerks, sir?
Clerk. Look at that clerk. It's a government clerk, bank clerk, government office clerk. Yeah, clerical job, clerks.
These clerks are not efficient in the work. These clerks are not efficient in this work.
In the work. Can you repeat that from 76 to 80?
Yes, sir. He is very shy. My parents are busy in this work. I am not selfish. Is this news too? These clerks are not efficient in this work.
Super. News is a singular. So that is the point here that you learned. Is this news? This news is true. This news or will never come. Okay. Yes, that is the thing you want to learn here. Is this news true? He is very shy. He is very shy. You know the meaning of shy? She's not forthcoming. He's not forthcoming. He's not coming out with the talk. Like, yes, are you talkative? He is talking. He's very shy to talk. He's not talking much. My parents are busy in this work, and I am not selfish. Is this news true? These clerks are not efficient in the work. Superb, superb. I want to try with Saurya. Saurya, 81 to 85. Amisar.
He is a capable lawyer. I am tired now. Is your father angry with you? Our enemy is not strong. Are we weak?
Superb. Very good, Saurya. And this is how it is. Look at that. Is your father angry with you? Look at that. Is your father? Only one person. Is your father? Some people tend to think, are your father? No. Is your father? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with yourself? That, but your father becomes one person, third person singular. Right? So very important. He did well. And sometimes it could be tricky. He is a capable liar. I am tired now. Is your father angry with you? Our enemy is not strong. Not enemies, enemy is not strong. Are we weak? Are we weak? All right. Write it down. Just I'll give you a few seconds here. Hope you're writing it down quickly. I want to complete this whole thing that 100. So because this is going to form like the singular plural, there are difficult questions. But this is not a session for difficult, only one among 5. If you choose 5, one could be tricky. But other 4, you have to get it right. 86 to 90, Jaita.
Questions are up to 100.
Yeah, we are going to, we can finish it off, Visha. We can finish it off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 86 to 90, Jaita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here.
There dash a few kind men in this world.
Careful,
There
careful.
are a few kind men in this world.
Super, super. Few kind men, there's a plural out there. So when you start with that, you have to go with the R because a few kind men. There are multiple persons, men. Very good. Keep going, keep going.
Dash you good in this game. Are you good in this game? These people dash greedy. These people are greedy. Dash, this is your favorite color. Is this your favorite color? God dash everywhere. God is everywhere.
Superb, superb. Can you quickly read it one more time, data? 86 to 90. Go for it.
There are a few kind men in this world. Are you good in this game? These people are greedy. Is this your favorite color? God is everywhere.
Quickly write it down, guys. Quickly write it down. We have 10 more questions. Almost 9 minutes to go. Please write it down. There are few kind men. There are few kind men. There is, don't go with there, don't go with there. It's a dummy subject. You go with the few kind men as a subject. That's going to be plural, multiple persons. There are a few kind men in this world. Are you good in this game? Are you good in this game? You. Both singular and plural is going to go with the are. Important are you. These people are greedy. More than one person. More than one person. Is this your favorite color? Your favorite color. Only one color I am asking. Your favorite color is the entire subject. Is this your favorite color? God, only one. God is everywhere. Only one. Of course, it's one. God is everywhere. Very important. 90. So I'm going to go with this 91 to 95. Time is thing. I just want to complete. Sushant, 91 to 95. Go for it. Read it. Read it. Read it.
Is
Your audio is
sister not fond of listening to
fond of,
music?
fond. Okay, read it out again, Sushant.
Is your sister not fond of listening to music? My parents are fine. He in his village.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Can you repeat 93?
Is he in his village?
Is he in his village?
Are your car parked in the parking place?
Careful. Careful.
Is your car parked in the parking place? We are worried.
Very nice. Can you repeat it, Sushant, for us? 91 to 95.
Is your sister not fond of listening to music? My parents are fine. Is he in his village? Is your car parked in the parking place? We are worried.
Superb. Good job, Sushant. So before I go jump into the next file, I'll just read it. Very nicely done. But kind of Sushant was confused with your sister. You is different. You is different, but your something is going to be third person singular or plural. Singular, most probably, like is your sister not fond of listening to music? My parents, two of them are there. My parents are fine. Is he in his village? Is he in his village? He is only one person, and it's a singular and also present. Is your car? Oh, Sushant, he kind of made your car. It's only one car. It's not you, it's your car. It's not you, it's your car. So is your car parked in the parking place? Super. We are worried. But nevertheless, very good job, Sushant. Good job. I'm really stepping into the last five. Really stepping into the last five. You guys hope you can take few seconds, write this down, and let's do this Samskrita. Samskrita is going to do the last five. And take your time, Samskrita. We are going to make it. 96. Go with 96. Amisar. Amisar.
Sir, this is also was that no, sir.
You go with 96. Amisar. Am is are. You have to go with either am or is or are. Are you okay, Samskrita? Can you do it? Can you make it? Can you finish it off? Read it out.
96. His mother
His grandmother. His grandmother. Go for it.
His grandmother is a religious lady.
Superb. Keep going.
97. This news
Don't worry. Try. We have done it before. We have done this before. Don't worry. You are going to make it.
is in every newspaper.
Yes, the this is 7 superb. Good job. Keep going.
My neighbors,
You can do
my
it.
neighbors are polite. 99. Are you against us?
Superb. 100.
I am happy now.
Now Samsrita is going to read out 96 to 100 with the answers around. Go for it.
His mother is a religious lady.
His grandmother. His grandmother.
Sorry, sir.
Don't worry.
Mother is a religious lady. 97. This news is in every newspaper. 98. My neighbors are polite. 99. Are you against us? 100. I am happy now.
Beautiful, Samsrita. Very nice. Very confident you are. I'm very happy for you. Right? Every time you come to the class, you switch on the video. The moment you switch on the video, I know you are on the top, and I'm going to ask you. The people who are in the video only I can ask. People who are not in the video, I will not be able to. But good job, Samsrita. You have come back very strongly. Don't miss next week class. Very important, very useful class. And that is linked with this one. Before I leave, I want to say this to everyone. So a lot of you have sent me that filled up the 20 structures of active and passive structures, but some of you have not done. So I'm going to resend that again. I'm going to resend this particular one, this 100, right? This particular thing again. You guys have to read it out and send it across to me as a voice file. Okay. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
Sir, and the personally.
No, yeah, you have to send it. Yeah, personally, I'm going to give you the number here. Look at that. I'm going to give you the number here. Look at that. If you can make it here, that will be really nice. Look at that. I'm going to do this very quickly, and you're going to be all right there. Look at that. This is KET, and we're facing the class 13 here. Class 13. I'm going to do one thing. Those 100 alone, I'm going to send it. This class 13, it's a reading and writing combo. This one, what you want to do is that number, I'm going to write it down now. Everyone listen. 9600852111. Those 100 statements alone, you have to read out with the answer only once. With the answer, you have to read it down 1, 2, 3. I am going to send it. Don't worry. I will be sending it out. I will be sending it out to your mailbox right now. Okay. That 100 statements. Go for it. Go for it. This alone. Go with it. Look at that. Everyone listen.
Sir, can you tell what?
This one. Look at that. First 50 will be was where. Second 50 will be is, am, have. Bibisha was starting with the is, am, and she was also asking questions. I changed it. The first 50 will be for was where. The next 50 will be for am, is, or. You guys have to read it out. You see what I am saying? Look at that. He was an old man.
Sir, answer alone or question?
No, I'm going to send you the question. I'm going to send you the worksheet. I'm going to send you the question. You have to fill it in. You have to read it out. So by that way, I will get to know your reading, writing, listening, and speaking complete for this particular concept. Aaron, can you do it, Aaron? Aaron, can you do it and send it across?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vibisha, can you do it and send it across? Yeah, Samsrita, you are going to do it. Kudal, you are going to do it. Okay, Kudal, you are going to do it. Read it out. And send it out. Yeah. Jain and Jaita, will you do it if I send you the worksheet?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. You guys did a wonderful job last week. Both of you did a terrific job. Okay, both twins, you did a very good job. I am very happy for you because that's a very important exercise. That's not a simple exercise. That's very important. That's going to do. We are going to do a lot of things on that. Aaron, you can do it, right? Yes. Well, Nega, I want you to do it. Saurya and Sushant, I want you guys to come out and do it again. Yes, Samsrita, you have a question. Do you have a question? Yeah, I'm going to send this across and I get the consent from everyone. I'm going to see that all your voice, I'm going to see. Okay, I'm going to see all your voice in that audio file and I'm looking forward to that. I will see you next Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Thank you very much. I'll share it right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.